Hi, I'm Dave from Autozone. While your car contains many features that are critical to your continued safety, your brakes are definitely at the top of the list. The average car will require brakes a couple of times over the course of its lifetime. Let's go over some of the symptoms of bad brakes.
Noisy or squeaky brakes. What you're actually hearing is the sound of a metal wear sensor doing exactly what it's meant to do. Give you a heads up that it's time to think about investing into a new set of brakes. Squeaky brakes can also occur if your car has recently spent an extended amount of time parked under damp conditions.
Low responsiveness. One warning sign to look out for is a puddle of actual brake fluid underneath your vehicle after it's been parked a while. Not sure what brake fluid looks like?
Watch for a liquid similar to clean motor oil, but looks thinner.
You'll also want to look for other signs of low brake fluid. Pulling to one side, bouncing, vibrating, or pulsing. Any type of motion that feels strange or ominous when using your brakes could be a sign that something is wrong and that it is time to inspect your braking system. The following are just a few examples to keep an eye out for.
How do your brake pads look?
Is there at least a 1/4 inch of pad present? Does it seem to be in good condition? Is there any exposed metal visible or anything else that looks worrisome? Pay close attention to that handy brake light on your dashboard. It's always better to be safe rather than sorry when it comes to your car, especially if you might be dealing with a potential brake issue. Be sure to take your vehicle in for regular inspections. We can guide you to find a professional mechanic using our shop referral program. Be sure to like and subscribe.